Good morning. I am Abraham Tundin from AT channel. Today is my health tip Cashnet. India is currently the largest consumer of cashew globally at over 3 lakh tons annually. While cashew processing takes place in as many as 16 states, the export is dominated by the processor from Kollam district in Kerala. Studies consistently show that nut intake has a cholesterol lowering effect in the context of healthy diet, and there is emerging evidence of beneficial effect on oxidative stress, infection, and vascular reactivity. The consumption of cashew nuts on a regular basis and a limited manner may help in avoiding blood disease. Cashew nuts are rich in copper. Copper deficiency can lead to iron deficiencies such as anemia. Hence, our diet should contain recommended quality of copper, and cashew nuts are a good source. Cashew nuts contains the powerful antioxidant pigment called zeaxanthin. This pigment is readily and directly absorbed by our retina and help prevent age-related macular degeneration in elderly and hence maintain eye health. Cows are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that contributes to giving a boost to the metabolic process to burn excess fat. Cashew nuts have a great percentage of dietary fibers. Cashews have been related to decrease in incidence of several digestive diseases. Cashew exports amounted to over 566 million US dollar from India in fiscal year 2020. In India, main export market for this commodity include South Korea, Spain, United States, and Belgium. The domestic market is also demanded for two-thirds or over all productions because cashew nut is the most consumable household in India. If you are looking for the profitable manufacturing business idea, then cashew nut processing unit is one of the best option for you. Cashew was first introduced in Goa, from where it spread to other parts of the country. India and Vietnam are the two largest processors of cashew nuts and the main suppliers of the world and the European market. Cashews are low in sugar and rich in fiber, hard healthy fats, and plant protein. The cashew tree is a tropical evergreen evergreen tree that produces the cashew seeds and cashew apple. The tree can grow as high as 40 meter but a degrowth cashew growing up to 6 meter has proven more profitable with earlier maturity and greener yields. Scientific name Anacardium accidentable. Cashews are a good source of magnesium which play an important role in our 300 enzymatic reactions within the body. Those include the metabolism of food and synthesis of fatty acid and protein. Salt and roasted cashews can contain high level of salt and fat which may not be helpful. Cashews are low in carbohydrates, especially as compared to other common snacks. This limits their impact on blood sugar, making them a great option for those with type 2 diabetes as well as those looking to prevent the prevent the. Thank you for watching in our channel. Okay, bye.